In this video, I'm going to give you 5 practical American accent tips that actually work. Not theory, not tongue twisters, and not trying to sound fake. If you understand English but don't feel confident speaking, this is for you. Today, I'll show you how to improve your American accent in a realistic way, so you sound clear, natural, and comfortable. We'll talk about clarity over perfection, accent being about rhythm and not sounds, relaxed American pronunciation, stress and connected speech, and I'll give you a 5-minute daily accent routine you can follow. First, I want to tell you something that's important. You don't need a perfect American accent. You need clarity, you need rhythm, and you need confidence. Many learners destroy their confidence trying to perfect their speech. That's the wrong goal. Your goal is people understand me easily and I feel comfortable speaking. Everything else is optional. What an accent really is not individual sounds, it's the rhythm, the stress, the intonation, and the connection between words. Most learners end up focusing on individual sounds, tricky word pronunciation, being exactly correct, but native speakers don't hear accents that way. They hear music. If your rhythm is right, your accent improves automatically. Here's the biggest mistake learners make with the American accent. They pronounce every word too clearly. American English is relaxed. We reduce sounds, we connect words, we stress important words, and we weaken the rest. If you pronounce everything too strongly and clearly, your English might sound robotic. American English is stress-timed. That means important words are strong and they get a beat. Unimportant words are weak and they squish to fit in between the stressed words. For example, we say, I want to go to the store, not I want to go to the store. The music matters more than perfect sounds. Let's look at a 3-part simple system that you can use that actually works. Part 1, word stress. The wrong stress breaks the understanding. For example, in a word like present, we need to stress the first syllable as a noun, present, or present, the second syllable, as a verb. Practice stress to help you get the correct sounds, not the other way around. Part 2, let's look at sentence stress. Say this, I didn't say he stole the money. Which word I stress can change the meaning. Listen to it another way. I didn't say he stole the money, or another. I didn't say he stole the money. American English uses stress to convey emotion and meaning. And part 3, fluent speech has linking and reductions. Because English has stressed, slow, and unstressed, fast words, we link and reduce sounds to make rhythm work. For example, rather than saying have to, we say Hafta. Rather than going to, we say going to or going to. Rather than could not have, we say couldn't have. Rather than what are you, we say what are ya? This isn't slang, this is natural spoken English. Learning about common reductions and linking patterns can make speech easier and more natural sounding. Let's look at a realistic routine you can do 5 minutes each day to improve your American accent. Choose a short clip from a video, 10 to 20 seconds. You can use one of mine or anything you like to watch. Listen to it once, then listen again, noticing the rhythm. Pause and copy it exactly. Record yourself and compare the original to what you say, not to judge, to find information and hear what's different. Do this daily and your accent will improve. Because accent improvement comes from imitation, not explanation. Podcasts are perfect for accent training, but don't just listen, steal the rhythm. Copy the speed, copy the pauses, copy the melody. Accent is learned through the ear, not the rule book. Let me tell you something important. Having an accent is not a weakness. Having unclear speech is. Focus on the rhythm, the stress, and the flow. If people understand you easily, you're doing it right. Speak daily, relax your mouth, trust your ear. Your American accent will follow. I believe in you. If this video helped you, save it. Come back again tomorrow and practice again. Accent confidence comes from repetition.